All right, and we're live. Let's get to it. Live day trading right here. Let's edit this title. Save it here. Just bring our mic over here. All right. Let's get straight into it. Have a little watch list here. Oh, looks like an alert already hit. Let's get rid of this here. Okay. Let me hide this. Let's put that over here. All right, where were we? All right, JSPR squeezing up. Probably halted already. I did not trade JSPR. I did not like it. It's too cheap. Didn't really call my attention. But looks like but I like CMMB. But keeping an eye on JSPR probably I would have been able to see a nice little 1 minute bull flag been able to form upon the open had I caught it on quick enough, but oh well. CMB, I'm trying to look for a retest of 5.4 ideally. But we're crashing down here in CMMB, so it's looking like we're not going to trade this if this line here doesn't hold. Huh, it looks like it's holding. Might still be alive. Yeah, I probably should have. Sometimes I'm stuck between accepting that the quality of the stock I'm trading is lower or just not trading at all. And I think today was one of those days because JSPR had the requirements, except it's below $2, which ideally I don't want to see. But a break on 1.2 to 1.6 is a 40-cent difference. With 100 shares, that'd be $40. Let's look at EVAX, my other stock on my watch list here. Getting a squeeze on ATNF. Okay, interesting. Might add a little position here. Let's wait for a little consolidation. See what we're dealing with. I had 4.5. Are we gonna get squeezed above that 4.5 level? Ready to add? Adding. I think I added a little too much here, so I might just flatten out. I might flatten out and move below 4.5. Take some off the table here because I don't trust it. Not trusting it. I'll trust it if we break that 4.63 level. What are we gonna get? I'll add it again if we break that 4.63 level, but if we go below 4.5, then I'll just stop out my last 50 shares. I didn't trust it. I kind of went a little too heavy with 100 shares right off the bat, which is a little too heavy. Ready to stop out here. Stopping out. $12 downs. Nothing crazy. RSLS. Having a lot of momentum here. on our stocks of it today. A lot of stocks shooting up. We're gonna have to wait to see which ones last and which ones momentum's carry over. So that's the goal for today. The goal is just to analyze and wait for the best setup to appear, not to go chasing highs. Here I kind of was able to scale in properly and stop out properly. But the goal really is to just wait for the best setup to come our way, attack it, a profit off of it. JNUG's been counted 67 times in our scanner here. Getting a lot of momentum this morning. But I ideally want to stick with my gappers first. CMMB here looks like it's going to be squeezing up. I'm going to keep monitoring this level. JSPR should resume shortly. And forget about CMMB. Let's focus on anything but CMMB. ATNF looks solid for a 5-minute bull flag. Let's look at what news we have for ATNF. Nothing specifically. Nothing specific, it seems. Life Sciences Corporation, biological company. News. No. I mean, had a FD disclosure, financial statements, nothing 8K. That was a couple of days ago. I'm gonna silence my scanner for now. Best points at add would have definitely been at this level. 100%. I missed it. But that would have been the best point to add. Hopefully we could get a little pullback here before the break and I could add on that pullback. Let's see if I can get that. Couldn't get it, so we're just going to add here on ATNF. Average is 4.57. A little high, so we're going to wait for 4.63 for the break. Going to draw my line here and then wait for the break. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay, clearly something's. Let me see something real quick. Let me see how much buying power I have left. All right. Um. Yeah, the best point of entry would have definitely been here, 100%. JSPR looks like it just resumed, but again, probably halted again. JSPR halted again. Wow, I missed big, didn't I? I missed big, didn't I? Wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. I gotta be waking up early then. Yeah, I can't believe I shitted on JSPR and then it just flew off without me. Oh, what a. Let's figure out what exactly happened with JSPR and why this even managed to happen. Wait, before I want to do that, I want to first focus on ATNF because I always switch on the dips, and then the dips are always the most important areas to buy. Have a little bull flag here informing. What time does JSPR resume? I need to know what time resumption is. JSPR. Come on, where's this kind of when you need it? It's 9:43. JSPR halt. All right, let's see what we got here. Another squeeze up here. Can we get it? Let's see if we could get it. Could expect another resistance here. Second, third low off the break of the ascending triangle pattern, which requires us to have two lows. That could be a possibility. Oh, and I sold. I bought in by accident. Isn't that great? I have to be very careful. All right, well, whatever. In at 4.44 here. Should have added in 25 shares. Oh, what is that? CMMB looking doing a nice move that I want to see. Oh shit. Real alert. Let's put it below at or below the bid. Create CMMB squeezing. Not squeezing, but at a nice resistance level. But I'm here stuck on ATNF, so. Okay, nice. I'd like to see us. Let's keep that level of consolidation pressure. And ATNF, apparently we're going higher. Gonna add in here for the break, gonna add in here for the break, add in here again. 4.75, average is 4.57. Can we get our move upward? No, we cannot. I don't know why we're still trying, but let's stick around and find out. Whoa, what's going on here? Off we go. Added at 4.57, average is 4.57. Probably gonna take a little bit off table here. In at 100 shares, have 100 shares left. $23 profit. Very simple. Very simple. Gonna hold on to my next 100 shares. Fuck around. Wait to see what happens. I was not expecting the break. I was expecting just to flatten out normally. Peeling all $20. That's okay though. Might just flatten out. I'm gonna wait to see. I hate selling on these 1 minute flies because I usually then miss the bigger move, but he's kind of just emptying out, it seems. I kind of was able to analyze the bull flag. No, I kind of was not. I was able to analyze a bull flag and predict this move. A buy on this VWAP level, as I previously said, would have been the best scenario. Now we're kind of just hanging around here, gonna wait to see if this resistance level becomes support. JSPR remains halted. Good thing AT, TNF, CMMB also flew upwards. Crazy momentum on all these stocks, in fact. I'm in no rush. It's gonna probably look like a small profit day. Not really looking to make a lot of money today. Plus, my buying power is much minimum, which puts a lot of restrictions. Should I add here? Yeah, I might add here on the break of 4.92. Can we get that move? In at 150 shares. Average is 4.73. Can we get a fly above 5? Can we get a fly above 5? Yeah, that didn't happen. Yeah, so I'm also not focused too much on today's plays weren't really coordinated well. I will say that. Today's trades really weren't as coordinated as they should have been. Oh, here we have another squeeze up probably, potentially. I'm out of buying power. Yeah, I'm out of buying power. Yeah, there's not much I can do about that now. Probably gonna try 40 shares here. Just let it sit there, whatever. Um, yeah, today's moves weren't really coordinated as well. They could have been coordinated much better. Now that I see that, now I'm kind of just kidding around. A little 40 share buy. I should have seen that. I should have been more aware of this pullback because I noticed that right after I saw this strong move upward off the view. I'm like, damn, I missed it. Like I called it. So I should have been more aware of that. It was good to scale in, but then again, my other mistake was I was too focused on CMMB's move that I forgot to scale in properly. Therefore, my average was higher. As my average was higher, my profit was smaller, right? So that's something I have to watch out for. JSPR looks like people are making money off that. This and this, I might just flatten out on the day. Didn't let me sell. Because instead of 50 shares, I put 40 manually. Didn't let me sell. Today's gonna be a break-even day. Today's gonna be a couldn't even pocket the small profit. No, today I could have. Today I could have done something else. Today I could have done much better plays. Because look, here I had the perfect bull flag. I saw it right here. I even called it on live. I'm like, okay, we have a bull flag play right here. Where I forgot this dip. However, the difficulty really is seeing this move here, buying right on the next, right around this area would have been the next move. Properly scaling in, because I did know that this flag was going to happen. What I didn't predict was I thought it was going to be another flag and then a break upward. And easy, number up to 5 by my 50-cent intervals. I could have much better handled this. So my entry should have been either at this right off the bounce, averaging in between 4.25 to 4.5, averaging in, seeing the dips, buying back at the dips, little share size, scaling in, adding for a break, adding again, waiting for that move to 5, selling at 4.95 around there. Which is what I usually do anyways. I just, today was probably a more difficult day because, no, it wasn't a more difficult day. I just couldn't very well. And we could even have JSPR come back up later, and now we're going to move off to JSPR and how I missed out on that. All right, basically JSPR, I said I don't trade stocks below $2, which is good. A good rule that I have. However, I should have known that not only was this like, I mean, this is the second leading gap. Like, it's gonna be moving. It's super affordable. It's cheap. Of stock that's $1.20 in the morning with the float, of 12 million shares afloat. It was. I should have reconsidered, and what I should have done is I should have seen this. I should have been more aware. More aware. That's one thing that I keep missing on is my awareness. I'm not aware. I'm too late to the moves. You have to write these things down. I'm not aware enough. I'm not aware enough. Be more aware. Review JSPR. And what was it? 18F. Okay. Yeah, pretty much. I'm out of buying power, so I'm going to call it for the day. Guys, if you watched this, I hope you enjoyed the live. Today was a tricky day. Managed to come out on top. break even, ready for tomorrow. I'm gonna study up a lot more and just be a lot more ready and be a lot more aware and everything. Thank you all for watching. Tavera Trading out.